Yay!
Hello kids, today in this video we will learn vehicle's name. Bus. This is a bus. Fire engine. This is a fire engine. Crane. This is a crane. Forklift. This is a forklift. Car. This is a car. Ambulance. This is a ambulance. Bicycle. This is a bicycle. Motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. Tractor. This is a tractor. Cement mixer. This is a cement mixer. Taxi. This is a taxi. Van. This is a van. Police car. This is a police car. Scooty. This is a scooty. Dump truck. This is a dump truck. Subway. This is a subway. Truck. This is a truck. Train. This is a train. Jeep. This is a jeep. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. Aeroplane. This is a aeroplane. Thank you for watching. Please do like and share and do subscribe our channel for more videos.